Anong nangyari dyan? Tanggal yung sapatos. Okay, kagagaling lang namin sa dental appointment ni Grace. Tapos, kami naman, magkasama kayong Jajay kanina. Nag-alboroto kanina, kaya nahirapan ako. Pero, natin. Oh, yeah.
Going now. Bye-bye. You want to go
Kasi siya
out this
mag-isa.
way? Yeah. Okay.
What?
What do you want to do? Stand up now. Stand up. Okay. And then, where do you step? Here. Step down here. Step here first. And then mommy's gonna catch you. Ready? One more. Ready?
Teka muna, malaki yan, mataas yan. Ready?
Makatatalon talaga to. Bye-bye. Oh, lakad na. Dali. Go to the elevator na.
Sa elevator.
There's the elevator. You're gonna ride the elevator. Here.
DJ. Let's go now.
Let's go now.
Gawa na mag-ina doon.
Ang mukha niya. Ang ganda ng mukha niya.
Dito ako kaya, baka biglang tumakbo dito eh.
Look at that.
Oh, baka maano yan. Oh, yan, nabi ko na eh. Nabi ko na eh. Nabi ko na eh. Nabi ko na eh. Jay, what are you doing? Laban, layo na naman oh. Layo na naman. Ayan. Dapat dito yung ano eh, yung parang nasa park, yung hindi linear ang lakaran. Gusto kong sasap pumupunta eh. Open field. Ayan o. Laging patakbo eh. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
We're going. We're going.
Wow!
We're going.